guys, you guys want to see player?
How's it going?
226 versus what do you call it? 120. All right, then let's do it now. That's when I killed him. Stay down!
What up, son?
Oh my gosh, these are absolute haymakers. I'm not a survivor, I'm a killer. I think he made it. Now, for you guys. Sorry, man. I gotta let you go to the abyss. It was not cinematic at all. Yeah! I'm stuck down here. What happened here? There's a dead man on the ground. Hello, sir. I would like to buy this. And the Taurus. Oh, seriously? I can't buy this? Oh, nah, bro. You ain't getting away with this. Hey, can you look over here for a second, thanks? I'm not allowed to do this. You're fired. I got him. You're fired. You're fired. How about you get dog, mister? Come at me. It's supposed to. Come at me. Come at me.
How's it going?
Oh, what do you mean I can't do that too? I can't do that either. If I can't do that, you can't live.
Well, hello.
I'm gonna break your arm, mister. Look at these.
Hey there.
gonna kill you with this card. Urgh.
Hey there! What up, son? Hello!
Can you do this? Not?
What up, son?
What do you mean you just saw me? You're still. Oh, I didn't know you were here. Hey, are you the card guy? Or is this the card guy? Why did he die like that? So dumb. I don't want to be two-time again, but did you? Yeah!
Inbound, John.
Ow! Who did that? The recoil was horrible. How did you survive that? You guys know that one guy from Fortnite? Ah! This and a knife. Oh boy! This is fun. How is this doing more damage than the gun? The shotgun. Yeah! Ooh. Oh, get out! Yeah. What's this? What's this thing? I'll show you guys something. No, I do not. What? Get out! Get out! We can headbutt. In case you guys did not know. Ow! You have to beat up your friend over here. I killed him! You monster! Ah! Oh no.
Inbound, John.
Meow. Yeah. Oh no, you can hide. Guys, let me fix my mask. Stop it. Ow. Gonna go around the rosy. I lost my teddy bear. A one step, a two step, a blow. Yeah. Hug me. Ah, get it up.